close. You get them within 5 watts. And audio should be pretty close to the same. Like I said, most people don't know the difference. They haven't said much. Said it's smooth and clean, crisp, loud. So, hey, I want to get on out of the way. I just thought I'd throw that out there, if anybody's listening. Take care of John Denver. I'll let the boys in Michigan get in there, and all around the band. 222, sitting back.
That's about the 4 tornadoes last year. Pretty worried about it.
John Denver. All my 29's got the variables too, so does this one. Watch your meter. Watch your filters. See what I'm talking about?
About it.
And you know I heard that barefoot radio. And you know I hear that barefoot radio. And you know I hear that barefoot radio every day. 351-456, no Obama rocking out.
Hey, 105, I want to know who you're talking to. Hey, 456, can you say 105 in California? Hello, 456 in the gold, low danger, 105 is in Woodwood.
A permanent fixture in my radio. Kind of sound like a light bulb in my radio.
We'll put it on you later. Have a great day. God bless.
He picked out Hill just right, didn't he? John Denver. Down Brokeback Mountain.
Hey, Boss Hog standing by. No doubt. Boss Hog reading the mail. No doubt.
Boss Hall, 105. Oh, Boss Hall, low danger, 105, 12 in the California, getting down. Hey, Boss Hall, I heard you. Somebody in there with you calling 105 also. I'm going to say hello, Boss Hall, and hello to other big brother calling Old Danger, 105, 12 and on the coast of California, getting down.
I am in Alabama, home of the Crimson Tide, national champs this year, no doubt about it. Don't be putting me in no Arkansas, and sure enough, not in no Mississippi. That's the kind of mess. Take care, my friend. Have a good day, and have a beer for me. Catch you later, John Denver, the crack shot and Dixie back out.
Somebody just came out and cleaned my receive out. I don't know who that was, because I just turned back to this channel. And I heard somebody just clean out my receive. It was loud. Passing up a diesel wagon with this raccoon antenna. And I'm rolling. I'm gone.
Hey, they may be small.
Hey, Triple Dude 105, let's say hello. I'm going to ease up out of here. Triple Dude 105, 12 in the Cali. Oh, Triple Dudes 105, 12 in the barefoot thing on the coast of California. Wade and got on down. Bye.
Z's fired up, you know it, that's for sure. Take care, my friend. God bless. Have a good one. Keep on what you keeping on. Mr. John Denver, the crack shot, working this 1-500Z and this M107. I'm looking at you and I'm gone. Leading time to you. Evening time to you around Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico 101 diesel wagon rolling through Tennessee.
Hey, Triple Dude 105, one more time. Hey, Triple Dude 105 working it bad. What a thing on the coast of California. Hey, Triple Dude, so danger 105. Your homeboy out of Illinois, 12 and in California getting up.
No, do operator up here in the Great Lakes got any conditions out west? Operator in the lakes. Want to know if he got any conditions out west later.
Hey, 105, so who you looking for? Hey, operator, Old Danger 105. Hello, operator in the lakes, Old Danger 105 out of Rockford, Illinois. Hello, operator, Old Danger 105, 12 and on the coast of California. What up?
Black Rooster say good evening to you, break.
Y'all need to do something with Black Rooster 105. Gonna kill one more time. I heard operator in the lakes. I heard my friend Black Rooster. All I want to know, can Old Danger 105 wave a hand one time right there, right now, 105 in California. Oh, once again, Old Danger 105, 12 and on the coast of California. What's up?
Hello, John Trigger, number 2, break. Back from tall to low. John, take it. I'm sure you don't have to smoke. Goddamn, Black Rooster's gonna skin. Hey, where's John?
Hey, Undercover, who plugging your ears? Undercover 105 in California. Hello, Undercover in the Gold 105 in California. Hello, Undercover, Old Danger 105, 12 in California. Undercover, what?